So, guys, today one of my student has come from automation batch 41, 41, right?
41, right?
Okay. So, to share her success story, she have recently got a job. Please hear her success story. Yeah, Kajal, go ahead.
Sure. So basically, hi everyone. I'm Kajal. I just would like to share my experience with you. So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for the detailed session, for the sessions you like, for the test and the mock test also. So Viva, those are the things which actually helped us to find a job. So that was the most important thing which we actually did. So I would actually suggest everyone, each and everyone, to just go through the video once again whenever you just go whenever you have a session, live session, just go through the video also later on. So this is a recommendation I would suggest because it will help you to actually revise those things and get you a job also. So I like to tell you that I have got a job in it's a leading AI and robotics company in India, which is located in Gurugram. So that's a US based company, I would say. So I've got a 85% appraisal over there, like 85% hike. So it is like something around 24 LPA. So which is more than the expectations I have already got. So I would
How
like
much,
to.
what you will do with so much of salary, Kajal?
So I've already had like I have a experience. Overall experience is like 7 years. So 4 years in manual testing, and 2 years in tech ops engineering. So yeah, now as an automation engineer, the salary I have received, which is like more than they expected. So I'm very
Hmm.
happy, and I would like to suggest each and everyone to just go through the videos and just be a little serious for like 3 months at least. For 3 months, be a little serious. You'll surely get a job. Just focus on Java for sure. That will give you a job. That's for sure.
That's great motivation you have given to all of them. But still, I want to know, Kajal, what will you do with two 2 lakhs per month? Just joking. Congratulations!
Thank you so
It's
much.
a huge salary in India, and really very proud of you. That's really great. How
Thank you
many
so much.
totally of year of experience do you have? I forgot.
Overall experience is 7 years.
7 years, 24 lakhs. That's great. Which city? Gurugram.
Delhi, yeah, Delhi NCR.
Hmm.
So I was previously working in Paytm as a manual tester. So
Hmm.
now I got a job in Gurugram only,
That's really great.
which is again a work from home. So which is really good for me also.
That's really great. That means hold 2 lakhs into account and no expenditure.
Kind of, we can say that.
That's really great. That's
Yeah,
really great.
that's all.
Uh,
All the best, everyone.
that's really great. Anyone have any question to her? Yeah, Pooja, go ahead.
Hi, Kajal. Congratulations.
Hi, thank you so much.
I just wanted to know, are you from computer science background? Because currently, okay. So, is it like, sir? Is it like who is from electronics or other than computer science branch? For them only, it's like little complex to learn coding and all, or
I don't think so because see, I have completed BTech in computer science, but that didn't help me. I mean, I did not
okay.
study coding languages like in BTech. So I actually learned it in this particular session and classes. So I would suggest you to just go through the videos and go through the practices also. Just go practice those coding practices would be required. So that will help you to get a job. And I don't think so. Electronics is, I mean, it is not required, so that is okay. You can get a job. That's for sure. Even there are my friends who are from mechanical background and electronics background also. They are into coding nowadays because that is giving a good salary package, which is actually a reality. So
Thank
yeah,
you.
all the best.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah, Sahil, go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Congratulations, Kajal.
Hi, thank you so much.
So, yes, Kajal, my question is that what kind of questions were there as you are on 7+ years experience? So, what was the question you have faced during the interview?
So, all right. Basically, it was a little tough because of my experience. So I have already shared the questions which were asked in the interview. I mean, sir, can you share it with them also?
Yeah, yeah,
Because
I'll share with
I
them.
have already shared the list with you.
Yeah, I'll
And
So
share with them.
they have you have written any program during the interview or
yes, I did. Yes, I did.
okay,
So it
okay,
was
okay.
they asked me about the selenium questions. Firstly, they it was something like a viva. They've asked me what is constructor, what are the inheritance concept, where have we used it, what is polymorphism, have we used it in our code. So these are the things which they have asked, and there were like little programs they've asked, like reverse string also, and there was a palindrome, brackets. These are the questions which were asked. I mean, I think sir can share it with you because I have already shared the detailed,
I'll share with
like
them.
wherever like I have interviewed, wherever I've been interviewed, I have already shared the list. So that will be helpful for you also.
Yeah, okay. Thanks. And all the very best for your bright future.
Thank
Thanks.
you so
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Thank you so much. You too. All
Yep.
the best.
Yeah, Prashant, go ahead.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, hi Kajal. First of all, congrats. So, I'm wanted to have ask. I wanted to ask you one question of the topic. It is not related to the technical, but could you please let me know why you choose Manish? Miss, there are a lot of many instructors over there, YouTubers over there. Then why you prefer Manish to be an instructor and the Selenium automation course from him only?
See, okay, it wasn't actually I haven't selected, so I was told that you'll be in this batch and you'll be studying from him because I was actually from batch 39, so wherein I had some incident wherein I had to go to the 41 batch, so wherein Manish sir was teaching us. So that wasn't like I have selected it. It was not like that. So yes, but I would really like to appreciate because he has actually taught us each and everything in detailed, I would say. Better than everyone, I would say. So yes, you've got a better teacher, that's for sure.
Yeah, sure. So, Manish, I would like to also mention, add over there. So, like, means before joining this course, I went over the different YouTubers over there. But when I observe that the way of explanation from the Manish is different than other YouTubers and all the members over there, instructors. So that's why also the same question I asked: who will be the instructor when I join the course, and then only I joined.
Yeah, it
That's
is like
great, Prashant.
he'll be teaching you from zero, so you don't have to have a background of Java or anything. So yeah, that will be a plus point, I would say. There are people who will teach you and who will tell you the constructor works like this and all, but they won't tell you what exactly is constructor. So yeah, that is the thing. So there's a difference.
Nice.
I'm not
That's
sure
a-
if I will be able to digest this much of like good
that's
points
true.
about me today because I already had my dinner, so I have I can't digest your positiveness. But thank you so
No,
much.
that is true. That is true. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you
Much
so much. Yeah,
appreciated.
yeah, Shreya, go ahead.
Hey Kajal, congratulations on your new job.
Shreya, I think you were with her.
No, I was in
Oh,
43
43.
batch.
Got it,
Yeah.
got it, got it. Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, so I have a similar number of years of experience that you have. And like this question is not very relevant, but I'm not getting calls. So can you tell me like how were you applying and how did you get a call?
I will tell you there are certain things which you will need to follow. So firstly, just have a LinkedIn profile, right? And you have to be a little active on that LinkedIn profile. And so there's a hack I have actually gone through. So firstly, you just need to search for the job wherever the opening is. Search for that particular company and company's recruiter. Search for that particular person for the recruiter and ping him with the
Uh,
resume. He'll
got it.
definitely reply.
Okay, done.
So,
Got
I
it.
mean, you'll be able to see hiring on that particular profile.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just ping him.
Yeah, I actually have done a lot of these as well because, first I need to send connection requests and most of them do not accept. So I'm like, in a different zone because I'm not getting a single call and I'm not able to figure out the reason behind it because there was a time when I used to get a lot of calls and it has gone down to zero. So,
Oh, okay. So LinkedIn pay you'll have to be a little active, just like I've said. And on Naukri profile also, you'll get a job. That's for sure. Naukri profile, you can do one thing. You'll have to update your resume every day at 8 o'clock in the morning.
8
That you
o'clock.
can do. 8 o'clock in the morning. Because see what happens, no? If I talk about search engine optimization, that how it works, right? If you'll just update your resume, it will go up in the search criteria. So recruiter will be able to see your profile.
Okay, sure.
So that is how I have already gone through and I've searched and I've got a job, I would say. So yes, I've got like so many calls from a reputed company also. Like got a call from I mean service based company ITC Infotech, ENY. I've given interview wherein I've got selected, but I was not like ready for the service based company. I wanted to go for the product based company. So
Okay,
I would suggest you to update your resume every day, even if
sure,
there's no update required, but just upload it again and again.
sure.
You will
Okay,
surely get a call.
okay, thank you.
All the
I
best.
I can see because of 24 lakhs, many people have questions. That's really good to see. When other student came, you guys were not having these many questions. After hearing 24 lakhs, many students have questions to ask. Yeah, Seema, go ahead.
Hi Kajal,
Hi.
congratulations. Firstly, I just want to know. See, you have a relevant experience, means 7 years relevant experience. So I just want to know. Now we are learning the core Java. So how many percentage the advanced Java we must learn? You have any questions on based on that
See, I
advanced
don't think so
Java?
advanced Java is required mostly. It is not required at all. I would say that it is like minimal required. You'll just have to create a logic. You just have to understand what logic can be created for in order to test that particular functionality. So you just have to have a knowledge of core Java first of all. Just brush up those knowledge first, then go for the advanced Java.
Any
Advanced
I would,
Java
difficulties
is not
I
in
would,
required. Seema, it's not required for us. Don't
it's
worry.
not
right,
written.
for testers it is
No,
not required. I don't think so. I have done advanced Java so far. So yes, core Java is only thing which is required actually. I mean, you should brush up core Java knowledge. But that is also vast. I don't think so. It will be like you will be able to complete it. So just focus on core Java first, and that is actually very vast.
okay, okay. One of my friend is there in automation, so yeah, that's why I asked.
Just go
Thousand
for the core
thousand
Java.
people speak thousand things, but don't worry about
Right.
them.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
So
sir.
Kajal, have you mentioned any experience on automation testing?
I have. I had
Okay.
to. I need to get a job. I have to.
Without
So yeah,
mentioning,
Okay.
no one will give you 24 lakhs, guys. You have to
definitely.
mention automation experience. She must have mentioned 3 years minimum into automation. That's why she would have
Three
got a
years I
call.
have. Right, 3 years I've done.
Yes.
So yeah, in the previous company, so whatever sir was teaching us, I was applying there also. So I was
Hmm.
actually practicing in my previous company. So I've mentioned that also. Like I have experience in automation engineering. I'm in automation testing in Paytm wherever I have worked. So yeah.
That's great. Yes, Swapnil?
Hi, Rajal. First of all, congrats.
Thank you.
I would like to ask you that, as you said, you were working as a manual QA. So, how did you manage your time along with the as a job? How many hours did you give each and every day? So, can you guide us? How did
Yeah,
you prepare?
definitely. I can do that. All right. So basically, I had a shift. I had a general shift. I mean, it's an Indian-based company. Paytm is an Indian-based company. So I worked from 9:30 to 6:30. After that, I generally have a class at. We used to have a class at 9 o'clock, 9 to 10. So
Mhm.
I actually took 1 hour, from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. I used to study. I used to just revise it because what exactly happens in the class, Manish comes in the class and he generally asks the previous related questions or the revision, right? So obviously we don't want to get I mean,
Caught.
right. So yes, right. So yes, so we actually, so I used to study at from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Then we from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock we used to have a session, and after 10 o'clock also I used to revise what exactly
Mhm.
they have taught us. So yes, I mean 2 hours per day that'll be sufficient. So
So
once
your job was okay. Please continue. Please
no, no,
continue.
please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm asking. It was your remote job or you're going to office?
It was a remote job.
Okay, okay.
I have
That's
been
the plus
working from
point.
home from 2020. So
Yeah.
that was actually very helpful for me.
Yes, yes. That's the plus point for you.
Yeah, plus point I would say.
Okay. Thank you. Congrats. Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Hi Kajal. Hi Kajal, congratulations.
Hi, thank you so much.
So I just want to know how many interview you have faced.
Um, it was, I guess, more than 10 or 15.
That's
So, yes,
great.
I have got rejected also. I mean, there were companies where they have rejected me. I mean, there were big companies also. But yeah, there were 8 companies wherein I've got selected.
Yeah, Sugriv, are you from this batch? Haven't seen you anytime.
Yes, I am joining first time.
This is
My
your
first,
like this is your first class?
yes.
First class
I
and doubt.
I joined. Actually, I joined a little bit late.
Go ahead.
Yes, my question is for Kajal. It's like, how much, like, how many days notice period you have in your previous company, and how you have managed it?
60 days.
6 days, and how you have managed that?
I mean, what exactly? I mean, I don't know.
HR is asking only
Did
for
you serve
immediate
your
joiners.
notice period, Kajal?
Yeah, I did. I served my notice period
60 days.
and 60 days.
And you told your present company that I'm going to serve 60 days and then only I will join.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same he's asking.
Yeah,
Right.
got it. Thank you. Congratulations.
Stuti, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, was there any specific reason you joined service based or product based? Like you mentioned that you joined product based.
So basically I was previously working in product based company wherein you have like ample of projects you can work on. Service based is actually limited, I would say. Matlab, this is like my personal experience. You can join service based company. I mean that is also a great company you can work with. But it is my personal choice that I wanted to go for a product based company because I mean, if you just talk about the product based company, they'll give you a better raise like in every year instead of service based company. I have worked in Wipro also. I have worked in my initial year I was working in Wipro, then I joined Paytm, then I joined Grey Orange. So that's a, I mean those two are a product based company. I was working in a service based company wherein I did not get a chance to learn anything. But in the product based company there are like ample amount of projects you will get. I mean you'll get the opportunity to learn.
Got
So that is what product based company was like my first choice.
Yeah, Nisha.
Yes,
Yeah, Nisha, you are on mute.
I'm sorry. Hi, congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So my question is like, how confident are you to get into this role? In the sense, you don't have a prior practical experience, right? You had to put in your resume that you work for 3 years. Like even I'm also
A person with 24 lakhs package can do anything, right? So don't doubt on her. She can manage it.
It's not like that. I'm still learning, but yes, I have like the zeal to learn, and I can do anything. I mean, I have the zeal to learn.
Okay, it's like once you finish the course, you'll have that confidence to work on the projects which you get, right?
Absolutely. Just practice. Whatever he's teaching, just practice. On your laptop also. Give your laptop access to Manish.
Yes.
So that he can code in your laptop and you'll be able to understand.
90% of them will hide from me the moment I ask them to share the screen.
Right.
Okay.
People did in our batch also, but yeah.
Got it. Yeah.
So,
Second last
Kajal-
question of the day from Roshan. Go ahead. I'll come back because. Yeah, Roshan.
Yes. Hi, congratulations, first of all.
Thank you so much.
Currently, which domain you are going to working on?
It's a domain as in, so it's a AI and robotics company I have been working in. So it's a product based company. It's basically, there's an app of their particular company inventory app. So they actually deals with H&M, GDI. There are certain stores which they deals with. That's a Canada and US based. So yeah, it's an
And
inventory based application.
okay,
I
and
work
what
with.
about the previous one?
It so that was a 24/7 help and support tab. If you'll just, I'm sure you have gone through the Paytm application,
Yeah.
right? So there's a 24/7 help and support tab. So that particular team. So basically, I used to work in that team. I mean, the tab, the functionality, whatever changes up like was being done. So that was being maintained by us only. So
Got
yeah.
it.
Thanks.
Yeah, Prashant, go ahead.
Kajal, I would like to add more for the Roshan's part of question. So could you please let me know about the interview process? How many rounds and what are the things it was, duration and all those things process?
So they were generally they used to have, like, I believe there were 3 rounds. The first round was just a basic questions. I mean, what is constructor? What exactly you've gone through? What projects you have worked on? And supposedly, if I open a WhatsApp, there's some like send messages or something. What will be the negative test cases? So those are the things which were asked to me. And just they opened an Amazon website. They just told me to find a XPath of that particular, I mean, the button or anything, the Google. If you'll just go through Google Chrome tab, you'll just see that Google point, right? So they've asked me for the XPath of that particular thing, that tab, and they've asked me like many things. So these were asked. These are the questions which were asked in the first round of interview. Then second round of interview, they've asked me to code, like reverse a string, palindrome. There were certain questions I've already shared. I mean, I don't even remember because it's been 1 month, I guess, more than a 1 month. So yes, yeah, these were the questions. And the third round was HR round, managerial round. So they will ask you if your culture fit or something. That's all.
Yeah, thanks.
It's not that tough. You'll just have to practice on your coding logic. That's all I would say.
Yeah.
You will be able to crack the interview. It's just the one thing which you will need to do. That's coding practice is required. That's all.
Last
Selenium is
question.
easy. You just need to work on Java. That's all. Selenium is very easy.
Last question of the day from Vikas. Go ahead, Vikas.
So how you study? You focus on practical or
Theoretical mein I was little intelligent, so I used to grab knowledge very like as soon as he used to taught us. So right, so yeah, for the coding practices, I really needed to have a logic. Those things really need a practice. So you'll just have to work on coding practice. That's all. Theoretical, you can. I mean, he will actually teach you each and everything. He will like you will be able to learn each and everything. I would say. So theoretical, it's not. You
Kajal,
don't worry about theoretical. I would say.
Kajal, when you talk so much positive about me, right? Some of them might think that I have bribed you.
No, that's not true. Actually, I think it's been 7 years. I'll be very honest. So it's been 7 years. I've tried learning Java from a very long time, but I didn't because I didn't get a chance. I was not able to understand from YouTube or anything. I mean, I tried code with Harry, everything. So I was not able to grasp each and every knowledge or anything. So yeah, it was easy to learn from him. Theoretical part, you don't have to worry. You just have to worry about the coding logic, coding practice. That's all.
Thank you so much, Kajal, for sharing your success stories with all of them.
Thank you so much.
I'm pretty sure they have really gone so much motivated today. I'm pretty sure, but need to know after their completion of the syllabus whether they were really motivated or not. But thank you so much for coming here and sharing your success stories. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and all the best to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.